what's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to do Lost and Found for Lab Rat. This is a super simple mission. We need to find Kanoa Sinarath and report back to Lab Rat after finding proof of identity. This is relatively simple. Essentially, we need to head across to the closest town nearby to us, and we'll need to find this character. This is a little bit more difficult to do, as this location is rotated for everyone depending on which faction you're in. You'll notice this general T-shape over here. This main building over here is the Capitol building, or whatever you'd call it, and 1 or 2 buildings down from here, towards the right side of the T, is where we'll need to head. Pretty much, I think it's this building or the next one along. In this general location around the back, we'll find a body with an item that we need to collect and head all the way back to spawn. This is super simple to do, and I'll show you how to do that now. In order to find the body that we're looking for the Lost and Found quest, we'll need to head towards the lumberyard, which for me is down here as I pick the group in the top left. Just remember, this is a T-shaped town. It's the same for everyone. It's just rotated based on what faction you're in. So in my case, it's down here to the bottom right of the T. For you, it could be the top left, anything. Just make sure that you pay attention to the shape of your T and where it's facing. Anyways, the lumberyard is where you want to head, and just across the street to, in my case, the north of it, is the building that we'll need to get into in order to find the body and grab an item from it in order to prove identity. So we'll need to navigate across there. Once again, this area is crawling in hostiles. Alright, so we're approaching the lumberyard over here. I'll be heading to, in my case, the north to get to the other side of the road, and you'll see that getting rid of the hostiles here. This is the building that we're looking for. We'll need to get over the fence here, or over the wall, and towards this. So in this building, just opposite the lumberyard, we need to head into it, and just inside of it, you should find that this area over here. We'll open the door, and there we go. This is the body that we're looking for. There should be a necklace right here that you can grab, take that, and head all the way back to spawn in order to finish off this quest. It's super simple. So let's go ahead and hand all of these in. When you get back to spawn, open up your vendors, followed by Lab Rat, tasks, and Lost and Found. Unfortunately, I've already done the quest, so I can't hand it in here, but you'll be able to. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all in the next guide. Ciao.